ever heard your joints pop, crunch, or crack? This sound is called crepitus, and there's multiple reasons why you could have it. Our joints have cushion membrane known as synovial fluid that absorbs forces and lubricates our joints to protect it. It is believed that as our joints move, tiny amounts of air can flow into the membrane, creating a bubble that pops when the joint is compressed. This is what makes the popping sound, and alone is not a symptom of anything serious. However, if pain or swelling is paired with your crepitus, you could be dealing with a chronic overuse injury known as tendinitis. The damaged tendon makes a sound as it sticks to surrounding structures when the joint is moved, which causes further damage. The grating or popping sound could also be heard with some fractures, but there will also likely be a ton of pain, swelling, and bruising, which would indicate a more serious injury.